Hi, I'm Alex and I am a hypnotherapist and a member of Hypnotherapy Directory, and I run Alexandra Hypnotherapy, which is a hypnotherapy clinic in South Yorkshire. And in this video we're talking about health anxiety, so what it is and how hypnotherapy can help. So how might you know if you have health anxiety, and why might you want to see a hypnotherapist? Are you constantly or frequently worried something is wrong, but the doctors keep telling you it's all in your head? Do you worry the doctors might have missed something, even though all the scans and all the checks come back negative? Are you always checking for signs you're not well, looking for lumps or signs of cancer, or maybe checking your symptoms of a heart attack or heart problems like blood pressure or your pulse all the time? When you find a sign, do you panic or obsess about it? Maybe you go on Dr. Google then, looking for reassurance and then diagnosing that headache with a brain tumour. Or maybe you're always asking your loved ones, your family, your friends to have a look at spots or lumps, and then you can have some reassurance. Or maybe you just avoid all talk about death or illness, or you get really upset if you see medical procedures or anything like that on the telly. And these are just a handful of the many features of health anxiety which people report to me and others just like me every day. So the question is, can hypnotherapy help? And if so, how? So good news, yes. Skilled hypnotherapists can hugely reduce or even eliminate health anxiety by calming down your automatic responses to those triggers. So lowering the anxious feelings, and then finally reducing the obsessive thoughts something might be wrong, so you can start living your normal life again. And often it might involve giving you suggestions or using other techniques designed to bring your perception closer to reality. So that headache is just a headache and it's not a brain tumour. Or a high heart rate is just a natural response to exercise or exertion and is not an imminent heart attack. Now, every hypnotherapist has their own method of doing this, but everything they do should be tailored to resolve your own particular needs. And a few sessions with a good hypnotherapist should help enough so that you're not obsessing about what might be wrong all the time. You don't wake up every morning with a dread feeling. You can focus on other things. You're not scared to be alone in case something happens to you, or alone with your thoughts. You don't have to keep busy all the time as a distraction. And you can stop checking yourself. You lose that compulsion to visit Dr. Google, and you can go on holiday without fretting about access to doctors and hospitals overseas. But, and this is very important, before consulting a hypnotherapist, you must have seen a medical professional first if you have any worries, to have ruled out any genuine medical issue that you're worrying about, and that what you are experiencing is purely anxiety about this issue. You do not want to ignore a genuine medical problem. Now, if all that sounds okay to you, then connect with a hypnotherapist. And you can find me and other qualified professionals like me at Hypnotherapy Directory, or you can find me personally at www.alexandrahypnotherapy.co.uk.